0 factorial equals 1. It looks wrong, but it's mathematically correct. And in the next minute, I'll show you why this definition actually makes sense. First, in a simple, logical way, and then in a more intuitive one. To start, let's look at a list of factorials, from 1 to 5. Are there any patterns? Notice what's happening when you move down the list. To go from 5 factorial to 4 factorial, you divide by 5. From 4 factorial to 3 factorial, you divide by 4. From 3 factorial to 2 factorial, you divide by 3. From 2 factorial to 1 factorial, you divide by 2. So logically, to get from 1 factorial to 0 factorial, you'd have to divide by 1, and 1 divided by 1 gives you 1, so 0 factorial equals 1. Now let's look at this from a different angle. Factorials don't just appear in equations, they represent something. They tell you how many different ways there are to arrange a set of things. So n factorial is just the number of possible arrangements of n different things. For example, if you have 4 different objects, how many different orders can you put them in? For the first position, you can choose any of the 4. Once you've chosen one, there are 3 left for the second spot, then 2 for the third, and 1 for the last. So the total number of arrangements is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 4 factorial. This concept is true for all factorials. Now here's the key question. What happens when you have 0 objects? How many different ways are there to arrange nothing? If you think about it, there's exactly one way. You leave it empty. And since there is exactly one way of arranging nothing, by definition, 0 factorial must equal 1. If this helped clarify things, please consider liking the video or subscribing for more intuitive explanations like this.